it's your girl Paris, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Paris. So it is another content day for me. It is my day off. I'm always filming videos on my day off. In today's video, I am going to be sharing a few home care tips on how to make your home smell amazing. My previous video was a weekly cleaning routine, and that video is doing pretty good right now, so thank you all so much for watching that video. But let's not forget that your home also has to smell amazing as well. We don't want odors, we don't want bad scents. So I have a few home care hacks on how to have long-term, long-lasting results for making your home smell very, very good. And when people come into your home, you have guests over, they're gonna be like, oh my gosh, your home smells amazing. What are you using? What products are you using? So in today's video, I will be sharing some products that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Literally ran into the Dollar Tree maybe an hour or so ago. Got some goodies for today's video. We're gonna get started right now. Tip number 1 is to make sure you are taking out all trash from within your home. Avoid letting trash accumulate in your home because the smell is so not pleasant and nobody wants to smell that when walking into your home. What I like to do is collect all trash and put it in this trash bag right here. I'm going to tie that trash bag up very securely and head to my garage and put this trash into my garbage bin. That way, technically, it's outside of my home and I do not smell any trash. So when trash day gets here, I am ready and prepared to roll this bin out for trash collection. This is a very simple tip to follow. Make sure you have a routine, a weekly routine of taking that trash out. Next up, I'm going to be sharing my own DIY Odor Guard solution for your trash bin or trash can. Okay, so you want to grab a spray bottle and then you want to grab Fabulosa. I have the scent Pine. And what we're going to do is fill the spray bottle with water and then we're going to add the Fabulosa to it. So let's do that really quickly. Another great item to consider is the Arm & Hammer Carpet Odor Eliminator. If you would like to have a dry solution for an odor guard, I highly recommend purchasing that product because it smells amazing. It comes in different fragrances, and if you would rather opt out for a dry solution as opposed to the liquid solution, I highly recommend trying this item right here. Very inexpensive. It serves as a great odor guard for your trash. Definitely check it out and let me know what you think. And this is a new purchase from the Dollar Tree that I saw. It's called Foamy Garbage Disposal Cleaner by Arm & Hammer. So basically a lot of food odors and just really bad smells can come from your garbage disposal. So I figured why not give this a whirl and purchase, because of course it was $1.25, so you can't really go wrong there. And we are going to give this a test right now. So let's head over to the sink area and test this product out. Okay, so the second tip may have been a bit of a fail, but I'm not going to give up hope on it. I never really have an issue with my garbage disposal smelling bad anyway, so I'm not going to waste the product. Okay, so my third tip is probably the most popular because people love their home to smell good through air fresheners. Now, my personal favorite air freshener is by Bath and Body Works. Their Wallflowers smells so good. And if you don't know me, I'm going to tell you something right now. I never pay regular price for the Wallflowers. I usually purchase these when they're on sale or if I have a coupon. There are some things, and I'm a huge stickler on not paying regular price for something like this. I have these throughout my home. I like to put one Wallflower on each level of my home. Smells so good. And the one thing about Bath and Body Works Wallflowers, they include the fragrance notes. So for this particular one, Tiki Beach is what it's called. The fragrance notes are warm vanilla musk, orchids, toasted coconut with natural essential oils. That smells heavenly to me. Smells so good. First time trying it, but I know just based off those fragrant notes, it's going to smell amazing. And I like the fact that it's a pretty decent size as well. One of these will last me a little bit over 1 month. Yes, 1 month of my home smelling so good. So I highly recommend purchasing your Bath and Body Works Wallflowers, okay? Cactus Blossom for the fragrance notes. Cactus Flower Petal, Sun-Kissed Coconut, Vanilla, Fresh Sparkling Lemon. So another favorite air freshener that I really like to buy are the pop-up gel air fresheners. I'm pretty sure you all have seen these in your store. This is a new one right here for me, Hawaiian Oasis. Smells really good. I purchased it before. So I usually like to place these throughout my home in little corners, especially in the bathroom area. So I will not put this in the bathroom with that Bath and Body Works Wallflower, but more so I'll place it upstairs in my bathroom, and I'll place it right in the corner for a long-lasting scent. These last about a month. Okay, so the next purchase that I am going to share with you all is a first-time purchase. Never purchased it before in the past, and it's by Air Wick, and it's called Stick Ups. I told my mother about this product, and she was like, "You never heard of Stick Ups?" I'm like, "No, I have not." So basically, it's an odor neutralizer for closets, small spaces, and I was thinking that a small space where I would put this is right in my shoe closet downstairs. So I think that's a great idea to place it in a small area where a lot of air circulation does not occur because the closet is continuously being closed and shut. And I'll also place one in my closet as well. So two come in a pack, which is a really great bargain. And we're going to place this in the shoe closet and in my regular clothes closet. So let's see how these work right here. I know that Air Wick is a pretty popular fragrance brand, so I'm excited to try them. All right, come on and let's go install these right now. Ooh. Okay, so here's what the Air Wick looks like, the pop-up Air Wick. You're gonna peel off the sticky backing like that. And now I'm gonna place it in my shoe closet. Oh, first, well, let me untwist it. It would make sense to untwist it. Smells good already. Smells really fresh. That is so neat. I love that. Maybe I should place it in the corner instead. I'm gonna put it right here. And it smells really good. Right now I am in my closet. I'm really happy with this purchase right here. I definitely will purchase the Air Wick pop-ups again. I think it's pretty neat. So I'm going to place this one right in the corner. I'm gonna push these clothes right out the way. And then I'm going to place it right here on the wall. Okay, so we're halfway through today's video. And my next smell good home care tip is the purchase of a Bath & Body Works room spray. Now, you can purchase any room spray, but I really do like the Vampire Blood by Bath & Body Works. Yes, that's really what it's called, Vampire Blood. And it smells really, really good. It has a very sweet but very sexy smell to it. I can't really describe it. I'm terrible at describing fragrances, but I really do like the smell of it. It's like grown and sexy. I'm not sure if they still sell Vampire's Blood, but there are plenty of other room sprays that they do sell. I have a little bit left, and I definitely recommend, if you can find it, to purchase this one right here. Just spray it throughout your room like such. Let me just spray a little bit like that, and it just provides long lasting freshness. I would say for maybe 30 minutes to an hour. So I really do like this product right here and highly recommend. I also wanted to mention that I love burning incense, especially when I am done cooking fried food or a food that has a really potent scent, and for some reason you just can't get that smell out of your house. No worries, make sure that you burn an incense. And this is from Walmart, and the scent of Black Orchid. I really do love this scent right here. Like I said, any tough smell that's really hard to get rid of and you find that it's lingering in your house, make sure to burn an incense to get rid of that smell. I highly recommend this product as well. Baby, I hope you all really enjoyed today's video. I had a blast filming today's video like always, and hopefully you were inspired and motivated and learned some helpful tips on how to make your home smell amazing all the time. Before I end today's video, I'm sure you just saw the clip of me opening my door to let that fresh air in. That fresh air is so nice to take in, to breathe in. It's turning into the evening time now where I'm at, so that air has cooled all the way down. It's no longer hot. It feels so nice, and I am ending my evening by cooking dinner, have the door open for a few minutes, and wrapping things up for right now. As always, my name is Paris, and I will see you all in the very next video. Bye everybody.